Yeah, g'day there. Yeah, g'day there. Peter 7 here. Now, for Phoenix stars or other people that want to use voice access, it's so easy to use. Now, the way to use it, all you've got to do is click on Voice Access. By going to your search icon on your taskbar and typing in Voice Access. Then click on Voice Access. Then make a shortcut on your taskbar. When you're in World, click on that shortcut and you can voice chat and typo at the same time. Or you can either let go of the page key like I'm going to do now, and still keep on talking without typing on the keyboard by using your voice. Comes in so handy for people, for Phoenix stars, or anyone else that wants to use it in World. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. Love from Peter 7.